Hello friends, I'm Omid, and in this video I want to talk about FMT Template Processor. FMT is another template processor defined in the Java platform. FMT is like str in that it performs interpolation, but it also interprets format specifiers which appear to the left of embedded expressions. Let's see an example. The format specifiers are the same as those defined in java.util.formatter. The template expression str is a shortcut for invoking the process method of the str template processor. So this example is equivalent to this. Raw is a standard template processor that produces an unprocessed string template object. The design of template expressions deliberately makes it impossible to go directly from a string literal or text block with embedded expressions to a string with the expression's values interpolated. This prevents dangerously incorrect strings from spreading through a program. The string literal is processed by a template processor, which has explicit responsibility for safely interpolating and validating a result. So if we forget to use a template processor such as str, raw, or FMT, then a compiled time error is reported. At runtime, a template expression is evaluated as follows. The expression to the left of the dot is evaluated to obtain an instance of the nested interface string template.processor. That is, a template processor. The expression to the right of the dot is evaluated to obtain an instance of string template. The string template instance is passed to the process method of the string template.processor instance, which composes a result. Template processors execute at runtime, not at compiled time, so they cannot perform compiled time processing on templates. Neither can they obtain the exact characters which appear in a template in source code, not the embedded expressions themselves.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, likes and share this video for friends. If you wanna learn, join and enjoy.